These Dreamcore videos are blowing up right now, getting millions of views and becoming some of the most satisfying and relaxing content on social media. Just take a look at this account. They regularly post Dreamcore-style videos, and their content has already generated an incredible 260 million plus views on TikTok. So if you want to create videos like this by yourself, I'm going to show you a simple AI workflow that makes the entire process quick and easy. First, go to GPTs on Google. This will open the GPTs interface. Now search for Dreamcore Studio Pro and open the first result. Then click Start Chat. At the top, you'll find a Start button. Click it, and the GPT will instantly generate 10 unique Dreamcore nostalgia ideas that you can turn into videos. For this example, let's choose idea number 7. The GPT will now create 5 image prompts and 5 video prompts. Next, open Google Flow. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and select the Nano Banana model. Now copy the first image prompt and paste it into the image generation box. After a few moments, you'll have a stunning Dreamcore environment. Now it's time to turn that image into a video and copy the first video prompt, then return to Google Flow and upload the Dreamcore image you just created. Switch the mode from image to video, paste your video prompt into the prompt box, and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Now simply generate the video. Within a short time, your still Dreamcore image will come to life as a smooth, cinematic video like this. And that's basically the entire process. Just repeat the same steps with the remaining image and video prompts to create all the clips you need. And the best part is that you can create completely different Dreamcore themes and nostalgic environments using the same workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI video creation tutorials.